All right, so it's going. We'll see what happens. As you can see, when you're dealing with wood stovepipe, want to be careful, especially in wind. I wouldn't put it up in wind, but I wanted to test this out today. It is doing a good job. The smoke is going out the top. I was a little bit worried that the smoke would come out this seam right there. It is not. I did cheat with the propane torch, and as you can see, I think it's drafting out the top. So this is actually going to go on the other side of this building, other than it's going to go over there, and it's going to go through the roof on the back porch that I still have to unclose, or pay someone to unclose actually. But the issue is, please make sure you're looking at alternate ways to do two things: heat and cook. So I will be doing another video the end of March. The same welder who made this for me is going to make a rocket stove out of 6-inch steel pipe, 6-inch outside diameter. So some of you might be like, why? Well, this is really good for in the winter time when I want to heat an area and I want to cook. The rocket stove, he quoted me a price of $300, will be something that I can throw wood in, start a fire, cook on, cast iron cookware that I got for Christmas, and then I can let the fire die. So in the summertime, it won't be something where you have to endure the heat for you won't have to have heat when you're not cooking. So it'll be an instantaneous heat, and as long as you have firewood, you can cook on it. So I hope everyone likes this video. I apologize, it is very long, but I was running into technical difficulties in putting it together and, well, getting it started. My other propane tank on this thing went out, so note to self, get some more little propane bottles. Very handy to have. I'll open it up one more time just so y'all can see that it is actually going. It's doing its job. All right, sorry it took a week longer than it's supposed to. Apologize, this is 27 minutes long. I won't be able to do a thermometer check on it until later, but it will do the job. I'm almost certain of at this point. So y'all stay safe. Gas went up overnight here, 25 cents a gallon. It's at $3.49 a gallon in Texas, which is almost $2 more a gallon than it was when Trump went out of office. So for all you people who voted for that dickhead and all the people who cheated to put him in office, I hope you're fucking enjoying the shit sandwich you're eating. Anyway, Chief Prepper out.